In this video, I will talk about the most harmful foods that can ruin your liver. These foods are really overconsumed. Please pay attention. Unfortunately, many of these foods are found in the restaurants you go to. Many restaurant dishes are full of cheap ingredients like soybeans and corn oil. These may seem harmless, but they are highly processed and can cause inflammation in the liver. Even seemingly healthy options, such as children's menus, contain hidden sugars and unhealthy fats disguised as polydextrin. When you look at these kids' menus, there are some of the worst foods you can eat. We consume these foods without realizing it. When you leave a restaurant where you have eaten these foods, you will probably feel bloated. When you consume these foods, it feels good in the moment, but three main disorders can occur in your liver: inflammation, fatty liver, and damaged tissue that eventually becomes cirrhosis. When you look at the skin of someone with cirrhosis, you will notice that their skin does not look good. Usually, if he is a man, he may be thin, but he may have a bulge in his waist. This is called ascites. This is defined as an accumulation of fluid in the abdomen. This is not fat. Because the liver is very sick, it leaks this fluid into the abdomen. Usually, these patients can be a bit sarcastic. The whites of their eyes are yellow and their skin is a little yellowish. This is called jaundice. This is mostly caused by alcohol. But many people can also have fatty liver disease without alcohol. There is also a significant increase in young children. So we will talk about these harmful foods and the foods that can reverse these problems. The remarkable resilience of the liver. The liver has a wonderful property. The liver is a superhero. It has an amazing ability to heal and regenerate itself if we give it the right tools. Even if it is damaged, it can repair itself, but there is a limit to this. Let's take a look at the biggest enemies, the hidden saboteurs of the liver. 1. Fries. These crispy delicacies are packed with unhealthy fats and advanced glycation end products. Ages, a recipe for inflammation. 2. Processed meats. Convenience comes at a price. These meats often contain hidden sugars, starches, and preservatives that stress the liver. 3. Sugary drinks and snacks. High fructose corn syrup lurking in sodas, candy, and even seemingly healthy snacks like jelly is one of the main culprits of fatty liver disease. 4. Aflatoxin, found in contaminated grains and legumes. This mold toxin can increase the risk of liver cancer. In short, refined foods are not good for the liver, especially those cooked or with added preservatives. Now let's talk about the foods that will work. Here is the liver superfood team. 1. Cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, raw vegetables are always good. These power centers help detoxify the liver. 2. Omega-3 fatty acids. Fatty fish like salmon and cod liver oil are champions for liver health. 3. High-quality protein. Moderate portions of organic, grass-fed meats and eggs. Eggs help reduce liver fat because they are high in choline, support healthy liver function. Let's get your liver back on track naturally and deliciously. Remember, knowledge is power. Feel free to share any nutrients or information that we haven't mentioned here in the comments. Dear viewers, see you in the next video. Stay healthy.